Hello loves, Rebecca here, just going through the page kits, trying to get as much used up as possible. And I know some of you are going to be like, you just wasted that whole piece of paper. Well, I'm trying to use it up. I do not want this stuff to come back in my stash, and I do want it. I'm forcing myself at this point to have to use these collections. Not that I don't like them, they're just not my style. They've been around in my craft room for a few years. You know, when they all came out. So this is, I believe this is a Vicki Boutin one. So I just started, and I bought everything. Like, that is, for some reason, what I did. I bought it all. So I went through and made page kits. And I still have like 3 more that I have to make page kits for, which is okay if you like page kits, and I do. But all my other collections and my scrap room kits and everything is like really just kind of stockpiling up, you know. Ooh. So kind of doing my best. I want to use these up, and then we're just going to kind of keep going. We're going to make new page kits out of collections that I have, and then I kind of just keep them all together. I've been really watching Nicole Jones lately, and I like the way that she like makes like a little a page kit out of a collection, but then doesn't separate it, like, you know. So I know, I mean, I do feel good about all of this stuff that I am using up. So, but the underneath of my desk is full of cubes, those IKEA cubey things that are like literally overflowing with collections, you guys, and that's not healthy. Like, I only have to buy, I know, and this is so sad, like the only thing I buy a month is the scrap room kit because I absolutely love it. I don't buy any other new collections. I get design team stuff, and that keeps me going. But yeah, I am seriously in desperate need of a de-stashing, and I bought this stuff because I liked it. I don't just want to get rid of it. Does that make sense? Does that make me selfish? I don't know. You know, like, I don't want to hold on to it. Like, behind me I have an entire Kallax unit, the 5x5s, and like several of the bins are just full of collections and papers from past design kits or just random papers. I never even pull anything but a stencil out of pretty much those shelves. Like maybe some washi here and there, you know what I mean? So it is not beneficial at this point to not start using my items. So I will not be purchasing anything for quite some time, or ever, because let's be honest, I got a problem. I'm trying my darndest just to rectify it, really. So I keep cutting into that when I have this other perfectly fine. I have a whole bin of scraps, but also I've pulled out. My goal is to work through as many She Loves colors, because I know it sounds funny, but I've only got this left. This was my second bin, and we are almost through the China Lights. And then there's our bus ride, and then we get into all the other fun stuff that we did. So yeah, and it is almost time for She Loves color again. Crazy. And then this is, I got to finish the Eclipse, my work selfies, some candy, my work shoes, Whitney's prom, Meg's model, Xmas, Meg's birthday, Whitney graduation, my best friend's parents' 50th, and my Trace Jolie design team photo. Even though I'm not on the design team anymore. I do still like to, you know, scrap that. So I'm going to pop the camera up. Get that on there. I always use liquid and dry adhesive because sometimes the ATG tape and foam like rebel each other, and I don't know what that's about. But yeah, this is all about stash busting lately. So let's put that there. And then let's put the up here. And then look at the details as our title. I know somebody's gonna be like, but you don't journal. Yep, that's right, I don't. Don't get mad at me. It is just who I am. All right. And then we'll get our little dot. All right. And then let's put look like a little funky title there. Use this I knew that was going to happen, but that's okay. Okay. And then I don't want to use the You Are My Sunshine. But it's a lot of yellow. I didn't really think that through, did I? And I was actually, this must have been one that I was like running low on because not a lot of embellishments. This must have been one of the last ones I made with that collection. 4 reels. So we're just gonna pop these guys around. I think this was Sweet Rush. I could be wrong. I'm sure someone will correct me if I am. So let's just kind of pop these in. And let's put a little best day ever down here. So it was a pretty fun day. Put a little puffy star up there. Should probably just add that. Okay. And you guys, I'm gonna call that done. This was just the China lights and like the entrance, and we went into that dome. But yeah, I am feeling that to be all good and done. Sweet and simple, little embellishment. Use some stuff up and probably tuck this one right there, and I will just throw that away. So yeah, just a little something to add. All right, that's it. I can't wait to do the next one. Thank you guys for hanging out. Maybe we'll go ahead and take this and do some of this. This is where I work. It's our color of the year is Fidgetal. It's a color changing. We make color. Just in case you wanted to know. And then we'll just do something like that. All right. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.